Hey y'all, so right now I just don't mind I just ripped it, but I am at my stylist house right now. Here we have the hair, Lavyhair, and she's currently bleaching the wig right now, and yeah, she's gonna pluck it, make some love to it, and then we're gonna put it on my head. So it's gonna be a time-lapse video. Make sure you guys comment down below what other videos y'all want to see, and comment down if y'all like this brand. I will rate this brand towards the end of the video once everything is all done. And yum, yum, yum.
Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Come up in your mouth, you speak good to me. I ain't built like him. Fucking with a G. Just cause I fuck you, that don't mean I trust you, I don't. You got some high hopes, baby. If I'm crazy, I'll tell you about me. I was nothing at all. Took a trip to London just to hear how they talk. Back to 4-0, you should hear how they talk. He might be Mr. Track and Field, but I done ran through them all. Yeah, that nigga played the game, just to watch how we ball. I ain't never home for long, but you pull up when I call. All the other niggas respect me, strippers wanna sex me. You left on her, now we mad because you let me low. Shit ain't fucked up, don't change it. I'd probably be dead if I was basic. Would you still give me head if I had patience? I work when I want, I do what I want. She get what she want, I call her my what she want. My shit off when you tie me off, you know I be slow. Fuck the world, I'ma walk in erection. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Don't come around if you ain't close to me. I ain't built like them. It gotta work for me. Just cause I haunt you don't mean I want you, I don't. You got some high hopes. High hopes. World, I'ma walk in direction. Spit without a thought, we do it reckless. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is. Your nigga call us texting. You said, baby, don't be mad, you know how bread is.
Okay guys, so this is how the hair came out. I'm loving it. It looked good. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Also check down Lavyhair down below. I love every single last one of y'all. Y'all stay tuned for the next video and we out.
Baby, look into my eyes. Tell me what